Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. So here are the latest changes with toolbars in iOS 26 with SwiftUI. So let's get started. So firstly, let me just show it to you. Here you can see I have created a SwiftUI application, and inside this particular navigation stack we have applied navigation stack which has a V stack, and here we have created a toolbar. So here we have just creating a settings tabbed button. So if I just show you the output, here you can see for some reason this toolbar are not working on the simulator for me. That's why I'm like running this on a real device, so be careful with this. Now after this settings button, here you can see I have applied this toolbar spacer of fixed. Okay, so that's why there is a little bit of space over here. Then I have added edit as well as update, so there is no space between the edit and update, and they just appear as one single button. Okay, but they are different one. And again I have applied this fixed, and we have the copy button as well. So hopefully you got the point. Now suppose if I want to add the toolbar at the bottom position, so you can use something like this. Just uncomment this and run this. Again there is one little bit issue. Again this code I have copied it from the WWDC video. For some reason the search field is not getting displayed. I don't know why. Maybe this might get fixed in future versions of iOS 26. At least I am using iOS 26.0. so here you can see I just see an update and delete, and if you want a bit of spacing between them, you can just use this toolbar spacer of flexible, and placement is at bottom bar. So same thing we have done it for this toolbar item. And this search, again like I said, this search is not getting displayed. I don't know why, because here I'm using this default toolbar item. Okay, so maybe it might be related to that. And here we have this toolbar item bottom bar as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.